everybody and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going for a camping. Magka-camping po kami and we got all our stuff already. Ayan. So overnight lang pero ang bit-bit namin parang 1 week. So before proceeding sa campsite, dumaan muna kami ng Walmart para bumili ng pagkain and some other stuff. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Monetize. Petersville Road. Turn right. Yeah, we have arrived. So, ayun na siya. Caesar Creek Campground. So, papasok tayo and then I think I'm just gonna show our confirmation. Dito sa may...
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, yeah.
It's just a park.
Yan o, mga area
So,
nila.
dito tayo sa Loops A. Okay.
Mag-right
And
tayo.
then, right.
Right tayo?
Yep.
Dito, right?
Yes. And then our campground is number 5. A loop to the left.
Ayun.
Yep. And then we're going to look for our campground. Yeah. So this is 1 and that's 2. I think we're there at the 3. Yeah. I know I choose the one next, like there's a 3 there. This is 3 and then that's 4. Oh, here 5. Haha, we're here. So we can park here.
Saan ang part niya?
Yeah, over there. That's 5.
Ito?
Yeah.
Ano to? Set up na natin tayo dyan para may yung natin.
Sige lang. Nandito sa bag sa loob.
Ito yung front. Yung may orange. Then natin yan.
Mabubutas yung ano nyo. Oo, kumano yung ano. Ilalagyan pa natin bakal. Dali mo yung mga ano. Sige, number mo.
Here? Here? There's a spider here. Wait, there's a spider here. Look like this tarantula. Look like a tarantula. There's a spider there. I don't know.
Red.
Red, get the hammer and the... Sige, ano mo muna?
Where is it?
Magaling ako, oh. Oh.
Go, Red.
Hmm?
Tulong siya.
Mm.
Sige lang. Hi. Where is this?
internet.
Kanya-kanya na lang po. So, matutulog ako kasi sobrang baksak sa
Mamaya ko nilagay yung mga lights ko.
Wait, can you come?
Mainit pa na. You go there, climb the tree.
Ah! Marshmallow.
Yeah. So, ako sabi ni Garapon,
Good ship.
garlic.
Yung kimchi ko rin.
Medyo na ano. Oh, nag-melt yung chocolate mo.
Okay na, okay na.
Nag-melt yung chocolate.
Oh, huwag mo ka sa taas, mainit yan. Okay na yan, oh. Lagyan mo dito.
No. You need to slide the graham crackers to it so you can make
Oh,
s'mores.
there's a graham cracker. Akin na yan.
You can slide it like press and then slide.
Oh, sige
You
na.
don't.
Oh, careful.
Well,
Pull. Pull. Oh. Open up na.
see?
Mainit.
Mainit ah?
The wizard. Hmm.
Ayan, guys. Kanya-kanya kaming pwesto. Andito na kami sa loob ng tent. Oh, Red, what are you doing? So then, yan, manonood muna kami. So, ang ginawa ko, kasi ang downside na tong tent na to, yung ditong banda, yung window niya, wala siyang cover. So, buti bumili ako ng tela. Ayan, pinang-cover ko. Para hindi kami makita sa labas. At ay malamig ngayon. Kanina kasing hapon, sobrang init. 3 p.m. Grabe yung pawis namin nung pinuput up natin, sinaset up namin tong tent. Tapos, ang dinala kong blanket, isa lang. Eh, ngayon, ang lamig na. So, bahala na. Paano itsura namin mamayang gabi? Hello guys! So, itutour ko kayo sa aming tent. Ayan. Yung tent namin is for 8 person, pero 3 lang kami. So, sakto lang to sa 3. Kasi, may king size bed kami, air mattress, para kasya kaming 3. Tapos, yung portable ref namin, pinasok na namin. And then, we have the, what do you call this one? What do you call that? No. Power station. We have our power station. Although yung mga campsite naman kasi dito, may mga electric outlet. Yung iba wala. So, non-electric tsaka electric. So, yung pinili namin electric. So, okay lang din. Para may spare lang na ano talaga, yung power station. Tapos, although yung campsite dito, malinis yung mga toilet, eh syempre, in the middle of the night, kung naiihi ka, gusto mo pa bang lumabas? So, meron kaming portable toilet dito. Ayan. Ayan, portable toilet. Tapos, yung double chair namin na parang sofa. Ayan. Meron kaming small table. And, ayan, lights and fan. Yung fan, isa na lang ang ino-on namin kasi sobrang lamig ngayon. Unlike kaninang hapon, sobrang init na. So, there you go. Ito yung tent namin. Oo.
I found Point Nemo.
Iikot ka na. Ayan. You can swim here.
I think I found Point Nemo.
Yan o.
Are we at the
And
middle
here
of
you
the-
can do fishing.
Are we at the middle of the Pacific Ocean?
Ayan o. Nice. Next time we come back here.
Swim.
Yeah.
Hindi ka pwede mag